Hello! Thank you guys for checking out the video. I would like to begin by making it awkward. Okay, well that was a little bit wet and I don't really know how that went. I had all the stuff in front of me. We're going to talk about some updates from Johnnie Ray and I was like, how can I get these people's attention? Not sure if that worked or if you guys all left by now, but regardless, we are going to go over the company. We'll use this fancy holiday label to talk about the company known as, I think it's up here, Johnnie Ray. Nailed it. And we have some scent of the months. We have a little Christmas holiday sample kit, and we've got this thing that actually has to do with the video, and I will talk about this. It wasn't just an awkward attention grabber. If any of that sounds good, you guys are welcome to hit the thumbs up. If you are not ready, that's okay. And if you refuse to hit the thumbs up, that's okay too. I appreciate you guys watching this video in any capacity. Woo, let's go. All right, to begin, I guess I should probably talk about this. This is the Moofa. The Moofa. And I don't know how I feel about the name, but it's made by Chicago Combs. You guys know the quality that they put out. And Johnnie Ray is now carrying the Moofa because they want to enhance the experience in the shower. You guys know they have beard wash, they have beard conditioner, they have a growth line for the shower. They also have body wash, they have face wash. This is essentially like the man loofah. And you get the body wash in here. I have used it and it's good. I'm still trying to get used to the transition from a loofah to this. I know not everybody's a loofah guy or gal out there, but I am. And this one is much more like detailed, much more like the loofah just kind of seems like I'm just, going all over it. This is like I'm getting this specific area. And so it is much more scrubby. I do get a good lather. I'm still trying to perfect it. I know it's got all these things in here and it's supposed to make for a more intense lather. I just got this within the last week, so I'm not an expert yet. But one thing I do really like is it has this right here. So it just hooks on a command hook in my shower. And then the ergonomics of it, nailed it, is it has this little guy here which can act as like a suction cup to the wall or to anywhere you put it. But when you use it, it just goes between your fingers right there and you get to just scrub really nicely, fits in your hand. And I can tell that that's how they designed it. So really cool product here. They are offering that. And before we jump into the products, as always, guys, complete transparency and disclosure. This is an affiliate of mine, a proud affiliate of mine, meaning if you use my code or link, you support what we do here. You guys save money and you support an amazing husband and wife, small batch, American, Michigan-made company. Let's go. All right, I don't know why I clapped like that, but we're going to get into it. So a couple of new things. Let's go with the scent of the month. The scent of the month. And this one absolutely knocked my socks off. I was not ready for the experience that I had with this, and about 0% of you are going to be surprised. So the scent of the month is called Mitten Mint. Now, I do live in the Mitten, of course, and I do love mint, but let me hit you with the scent profile. And we do have this in the Apex and the Legacy line. Legacy line is the hemisqualane, more of a traditional beard oil, thin viscosity, fantastic. The Apex adds in bird oil as the majority ingredient, so you get that anti-inflammation bird oil blend. Love. The scent profile on the Mitten Mint is going to be peppermint, grapefruit, fir, and vanilla. The first smell is you get that classic peppermint vanilla around the holidays. That Andy's mint, that peppermint patty, that just classic, whoop, lost it, but caught it. So that classic sweet mint flavor with that vanilla. But and I love that, but where it really takes a turn is you get grapefruit and fir. I've never had a scent profile like this. I will personally be stocking up because it is insanely good. The fir gives it a little bit more of a holiday feel, and then that grapefruit just gives it a citrus pop. Now, it's not just taking Grand Blanc, which is peppermint grapefruit, and then adding those. They actually flipped it, and they made the mint more potent than the grapefruit, but I still get this unique layer from this grapefruit, and I am wildly passionate about this one. It's not going to be for everybody. If you're not a mint person, a peppermint person, it's not for you. But if you like that minty, you like that sweet side, you like citrus, I've never smelled anything like this. And let me know if you guys have had something that would be in the world of peppermint, vanilla, fir, which is in that pine family, and grapefruit. Hit me down below. I'd be willing to try it out. But this is insane on both of those. Absolutely crushed it. In addition to that, we have 2 new players in the Apex line, meaning they started in Legacy, they've been on the main lineup, but now they have the option of that bird oil. One would be Graham Blank, which I just mentioned, which is right in the top of my most use. It's between Graham Blank, Blue Tansy, and Graham Blank is that peppermint grapefruit that we just talked about. Graham Blank, Blue Tansy, and then the third one that's in the running for me, they are back. It has the Apex blend, and they have the special holiday edition labels, that red, and that would be Frankenmuth. And Frankenmuth has in there Blue Tansy, I believe it's peppermint and Blue Tansy. Let me double check here. Blue Tansy with a refreshing minty twist. Yeah, so I get Blue Tansy and then the mint that's in there. Absolutely, all of those are some of my favorites of all favorites. Am I biased on that because I love them, because they're amazing? Sure, I guess, but it is what it is. Absolutely outstanding. So those are all available right now. And then we have the name. I gotta get the name right here. Let me make sure I get this right, because I believe it's I know it's Carrots, the Holiday Edition Beard Oil Sample Pack, but what's the name of this bad boy? Okay, here it is. It is the Carol of Beards. So you get this in here. You also, just a little peek, you also get the scent profiles on all of the options in here. And the cool thing is, it is 5 returning from last year's holidays that were so popular, and then 5 new ones for a 10-pack. I'll kind of do my best to show you guys here without spilling everything out. Really nice packaging, right? Really nice box, and then look at that. Look at that. These are awesome. As always, full disclosure, I have not tried all of the new ones yet. I've smelled them, I've put them on skin. I just don't have enough days in the calendar to try every single new thing when I'm reviewing other stuff. But you guys know the quality of Johnnie Ray. You guys know what these are like. I'm gonna hit you real quick with the name and then the notes, just so you guys can hear it from me. Merry Mornings, sweet and chocolatey. Yeah, think about like a minty hot cocoa. Candy Cane Crush, sweet and minty. Sign me up. Silent Night, warm spice, woodsy night air. That was not as much for me, but for some of you. Frosty Forest, woodsy and minty. Santa's Workshop, woody and sweet undertones. Okay. And then we have Chestnut Cheer, nutty and sweet. We have Glacier Grove, what a name, Minty Citrus Woodsy. And then you have Christmas Classic, which is Christmas Spice, Merry Berry, which is festive and fruity, and then Vintage Noel, which is woodsy and nostalgic. This is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I want to show you guys the size of these samples here. I believe, I'll double check, but I believe they are 5 ml. So a really good amount. I generally get 2 to 3 uses per my beard with these bad boys right here. And it is a 5 ml for the samples. So those are out and available right now. Really fun, really festive. They only have a set number of them. So once they're gone, they are gone. There's not even the ability for them to make more because of the labels and everything. So they got a set amount of those, you guys. Scent of the month was killer. 2 new ones added to the Apex line, and the Mufa. Down below, you guys, feedback. Did you try the Carol of Beers last year? Are you excited for this year? What about experience with Johnnie Ray? We are in November. Happy No Shave November! You guys know we're going to have those Girlvember videos coming. Stay tuned for those. Anything at all, you guys, just comment. The comments are open. Help a brother out. Help out the channel. Help out this company. Those interactions mean a lot, and I appreciate you guys, and I get back to everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Happy November. My name's Dan C. Bearded. If you're not subscribed, consider it. Please stay bearded and stay positive.